So today we're making hard candy. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with My Dumb Friends. Today we are making hard candy. This is Christian, and this is Kelly. The drink that we're going to make to go along with this and be spooky is
Monster Mash. What?
Punch.
Monster Punch.
Monster Mash Punch.
Oh, I was halfway there.
You were. Alright. So, tequila. Pineapple.
Yeah. Yummy. Ginger ale is my fave.
Have a couple drops of green. Do. And
Sherbet.
sherbet.
Sherbet. Oh, look at that shit.
Whoa, look at that shit. That actually looks really good. That's good. You put the oil in the mold, and you pour the candy in it. Alright, cup of sugar. Corn syrup. Alright, cream tartar. Quarter teaspoon. Tisp, if you will. Mix them up. Yep. Mix it up. Mix it up. Water in that now. You can even mix it up more.
Oh!
Ooh, Kelly's splashing.
I'm a little too
Be
excited about
careful.
it.
That is what you don't want to do.
Whoa,
So we're going to add a little splash of water and hope that that's accurate enough. Cup of water here so we can wet down the edges. So we want to have everything in the same crystalline stage. So if we have these crystals up top, it's going to mess up our crystallization process. So we don't want to add too much water that it messes up the formula. We are trying to get this to 295 to get it to a hard crack stage at the elevation we're at. Cool. So we've got some ways to go.
What's your favorite childhood Halloween costume? Mine was Baby Bop from Barney.
Oh, no. It was... Yeah, it is from
Baby
Barney.
Bop
Oh, sorry,
from Barney.
sorry.
She was a little dinosaur. And I had to put a pillow in the butt.
I don't remember any of my
butt.
costumes from being a kid. Oh, well, one year my mom made us be angels.
God bless us. Everyone.
Yeah, we handed out candy with scripture on it. It was not the most...
what were you thinking?
It was not the most fun Halloween ever. But she knows. She's apologized many, many times.
My sensibility.
Ooh. Okay. We got there. We're going to stir it and try and bring it down pretty rapidly in temperature. Alright, we want it to get to 270 and it's cooling so that it doesn't evaporate the coloring or the flavoring. Because those are going to be water or oil based and we don't want them to scorch or burn off. So we're going to separate these into two receptacles. One.
Receptacle.
Two.
Second receptacle.
Let's add our color.
Pineapple, please?
No, I want to do... Alright.
No, I don't
No, I'll do orange.
No.
Nope, I got it. It's fine.
Okay.
However much you think.
What are you doing?
Coloring it.
Not all of it, but half.
Yeah, I'd say half is good.
Okay. Oh, that smells real good.
It does smell real good.
Yeah, I agree.
Now we're just going to let this sit for an hour so we can munch on our candy. gonna try some of her candy. Ooh, look at that guy. Little Scully. This is Scully and Mulder. Great.
Pineapple-y. Crunchy.
Let's go. Awesome. Well, we did it. Very delicious candies.
Mmm.
Right?
So good.
And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will be back for our next episode and that you subscribe and share it with your friends. Happy Halloween, y'all.
Happy Halloween!